Welcome to the CryptoNest. Okay, so for Ethereum, actually now we're pushing higher. We did push higher, and it's very nice, very nice. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, wave 3. Wow, this was a very shallow wave 4, and I did tell you, don't expect deep pullbacks, or it can be tricky. Now, and I did tell you as well, I'm not even sure this is the third wave. Because this could be very possible that this third wave is here, and we're making a fourth wave now. It's anyway, for me it's not clear. Maybe out there other people have a better reading of this market, but it is what it is. Charts, it's all at the end of the day, a point of view, right? And I could also say that while I'm reading this, let me double check here something. While I'm reading this as a 1-2, and that's okay, could it be that this it's not a 5-way up, but it's going to just be an A, a B, and a C, and just this movement is going to be an A wave, and this could be a B eventually and a C, and that's going to close this third wave. That's also possible, right? Let me just it doesn't really matter, but soon we're going to know. Okay, so here was the scenario that if I take the wave 1 and this was indeed the wave 3, and this was the fourth wave, the 0.618 extension, wave 1 plus wave 3 to the wave 4, it did reach the target, honestly. So that worked out. Now it's just a matter of, was this was this a okay, so this I think I can remove it now because it never happened. And so was this an ABC? Let me put it here just for the records. A, B, C, obviously cannot be the same count. All right, come on. Actually, I'm going to put it maybe in orange. Okay, so this is the other variant. Either we can count this as a 5-way up. In this case, though, I would say, because I'm counting this as a diagonal, as a wave 1, and also a diagonal for the third wave, well, I'm missing another leg up to have 3-wave up. So what I'm going to look now, once again, it's an A, a B, and a C, possibly reaching the 4,115 to round it up. I'm going to put this in yellow or maybe green, because this is going to be really more bullish. Yeah. And then after that, we should expect a pullback. Either way you count it, if this is a wave A, B, C, well, actually, if you're counting this as a wave A, we should expect imminently a pullback, and this is how we are going to manage this situation. Which one is which? But for the moment, it's looking good, and I was saying this is A, B. So let's go and calculate now. How deep can it go, this B wave, before getting validated? And that's annoying because, once again, the B wave can be pretty much deep. But with the response we're having now, it's very promising, I would say. Okay, so B wave. It would be way deeper. Let me remove some levels here. So we didn't even reach the 0.5. Wow, that's you see what I'm saying? You know, when I opened the leverage, I said, man, why did I do that? You know, I want to be conservative. Don't like to move money. Actually, I like to make money. But it's just not comparable. Once again, I shouldn't do that because every time I hurt myself. So when was it that I opened my thing? Today we are the 8th. Did I open it here? 8, 5, 3 days ago? Yeah, I think so. I was there. Actually, I should go and check. Because that's 12%. I don't even remember when I opened it. Seriously. Time passed so fast. Did I open it here? Don't remember. Anyway. You can see that the comparison of the chart. I'm sorry. Yeah, Ethereum, it's really kicking ass. And I think I put the previous all-time high. Yeah, okay, so I just want to calculate in percentage. Sorry if I'm moving a lot. In percentage, how far are we from the previous all-time high? 22%. I mean, in crypto, that's nothing. So this is the percentage left to make a new all-time high. And once again, let me remove that. The next target, if everything goes well, actually here should be, no, that's a different count. So we were saying wave 3, wave 4. Oh my goodness, here it's wave 5. So it should reach ideally 5,405 or somewhere near there. It would be very nice. You know, can it surprise us? Yeah, it can. And also, you know, macroeconomic. There, I don't know. Maybe those are fake news. When you read a lot of people, they say, you know, institutions are investing massively into Ethereum. Is that no manipulation? You know, because that's often what they do, right? They got in, and then after they say those kind of things, and then after that, retailers, oh, they go, holy cow, like, yeah, if they're going in, let me go in, and then they buy market price, they make the price push higher, you know. Let's face it, you know, the big whales, the institution already got in. When they start to say, you know, we're heavily getting in, then they're already talking in the past, okay? Maybe 2-3 months in the past. And they're waiting for the retailers to buy the market price, push the price higher, because they don't do that. They buy over the counter, small portion at a time, to be very careful to not push the price higher, because they don't want to pay higher, right? They want to have it at the good price. So more likely they accumulated here, and I would say they really accumulated here. Yeah, I think here was a nice accumulation level. Also here. There you go. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.